Good morning. I've got my little display cake back. I use this for all my demos, poor little guy. And I'm going to show you how to attach these the easiest way. These are just wafer paper hearts that I've cut out from a sheet of watercolored printed wafer paper. I'm going to show you how to attach these the easiest way to a fondant covered cake. This could work with buttercream, but you would have to put the adhesive on the heart itself and then stick it to the cake. And I prefer to be able to just attach it to the cake directly. All right, so the first thing you need to do is decide where you're going to put the hearts. I'm going to kind of bring them up here and swirl them around on the top. So I'm going to take some corn syrup. I'm going to start putting this on the top of the cake just to get some of it off of the brush. Because if you put too much, it's going to drip. And I don't want it to drip down the side, so I'm putting it on the top first so that I can take this down the side and not have it be so drippy. It's easier to put the corn syrup on the cake first. You can do it, like I said, you can put it on the hearts and then attach it to the cake. This way is just a little faster. So I'm going to start with the larger ones. You can put these in any, I've seen them done like with a heart with some flying out, like with butterflies and that kind of thing. I'm just going to attach them. I'm leaving the edges up so that they have kind of a three-dimensional look, and I'll put them kind of in a different place. Let me get some different sizes. But you see how when you put the corn syrup on the cake first, all you have to do is go back and attach the hearts. It's not difficult. I'll put some little ones in here to fill that in, little tiny. So you're basically just going to keep doing that until you get the design that you want. You get as many on there as you feel like you want. And I'm going to keep working on this and then speed it up so that you guys don't have to watch me do this step by step. Okay, so that's my design. You could obviously do this differently. You can take these and arrange them all over the entire top. You can arrange them all over the sides. It's a really fast and simple way to decorate a Valentine's Day cake. So leave me any questions. I'll be glad to answer them, and I will talk to you guys later.